Welcome back to my travel channel. Today, our northern Vietnam journey has brought us to the legendary Bái Đính Pagoda in Ninh Bình. This isn't just any temple, it's a massive complex that holds several national and regional records, including the largest bronze Buddha in Southeast Asia. Because this attraction is located a bit further out of town from the main Ninh Bình hub, we decided to make a smart move. We asked our Grab car driver to be our private driver for the entire day. Since Grab can be hit or miss in these remote areas, especially when the sun goes down, we didn't want to risk being stranded. It's definitely a case of better safe than sorry, and having him wait for us allows us to explore this sprawling site without any stress about getting back to our hotel.
Bái Đính is a fascinating mix of the old and the new. The ancient pagoda, tucked away in a quiet cave on the mountainside, dates back over 1,000 years to the Lai dynasty. However, what most tourists see today is the new Bái Đính Pagoda, a colossal expansion completed between 2003 and 2010. This newer section was built to celebrate the 1000th anniversary of Hanoi and has since become a major center for Buddhist pilgrimages. The architecture is a stunning tribute to traditional Vietnamese style, featuring dark wood, curved roofs, and intricate stone carvings, all built on a scale that will leave you absolutely speechless.
The main halls of the Bái Đính complex are architectural marvels that emphasize grandeur and spiritual weight, designed to leave visitors in a state of awe. The journey typically culminates at the Tam the Hall, the largest building in the complex, which sits majestically at the highest point of the main axis. This massive structure features three-tier curved roofs and soaring ceilings held up by giant wooden pillars, housing three colossal bronze statues representing the Buddhas of the past, present, and future, each weighing a staggering 50 tons. Below it, you'll find the Phap Chu Hall, which holds a 100-ton bronze Buddha, and the Quan Am Hall, dedicated to the Bodhisattva of compassion. These halls are not just impressive for their scale but also for their craftsmanship. The interiors are adorned with intricate gold leaf carvings, massive horizontal lacquered boards, and stone reliefs that depict the life of Buddha. Walking through these cavernous spaces, with the scent of incense lingering in the air and the scale of the statues towering over you, provides a profound sense of the architectural ambition and cultural devotion that defines modern Vietnamese Buddhism.
If you're wondering about the religious landscape here, it's quite unique. While Vietnam is governed by a socialist system that is officially secular, Buddhism is deeply woven into the cultural DNA of the people. You'll see that most Vietnamese practice a blend of Mahayana Buddhism, Taoism, and ancestral worship. Even those who claim no formal religion often visit these pagodas to pray for luck and health. Bái Đính stands as a massive symbol of this enduring spiritual heritage, proving that faith remains a vibrant and essential part of Vietnamese life, harmoniously existing alongside the country's modern political structure. Now, let's talk logistics. The pagoda is generally open daily from 6 a.m. to around 6 p.m., though some festivals extend these hours. While entering the pagoda grounds is technically free, you will likely want to pay for the electric car shuttle. Trust me, you'll need it. The complex is over 500 hectares, and the walk from the parking lot to the main gate is quite a trek. The shuttle costs about 30,000 VND per person. If you want to go inside the famous 13-story Bảo Tháp Stupa, there is an additional small fee of around 50,000 VND. It's a small price to pay for the incredible views and the chance to see sacred Buddhist relics from India and Myanmar housed inside. The standout architectural icon of the complex is undoubtedly the 13-story Bảo Tháp Stupa, a structure that commands the skyline at a towering 100 meters, about 328 feet, making it the tallest pagoda in Asia. What makes this stupa truly special is its dual purpose as a magnificent viewpoint and a sacred reliquary. It houses precious Shakyamuni Buddha relics. The exterior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, clad in Bat Trang fired bricks with intricate patterns from the Lai dynasty, while the inside is decorated with thousands of small Buddha statues lining the walls. For the best experience, you don't have to worry about the climb. There is a modern elevator that takes you directly to the top floor. Once you step onto the 13th floor balcony, the view is nothing short of breathtaking. You are treated to a 360-degree panorama of the entire 500-hectare temple grounds, the lush green valley, and the iconic limestone karsts of Ninh Bình stretching toward the horizon. At sunset, the sight of the sun dipping behind the mountains while the temple lights begin to twinkle below is the definitive money shot for your video and a moment of pure serenity.
A few final tips for your visit. Remember that this is a sacred site, so dress respectfully by covering your shoulders and knees. Because the complex is so large and mostly outdoors, bring plenty of water, sunscreen, and a hat. We found that visiting in the late afternoon is perfect. It's slightly cooler, the crowds start to thin out, and you're perfectly positioned for that spectacular sunset we mentioned. Bái Đính is a place of grand scale and deep quietude, and having our private driver waiting at the gate made the whole experience seamless. It's a day of culture, history, and hiking that you definitely shouldn't miss. Our final verdict: don't let the distance from Tam Kok or Trangan stop you. Skipping Bái Đính is a massive mistake. It's not just a temple, but a record-breaking spiritual city with an energy entirely different from the rest of Ninh Bình. From the 500 Arhat statues to the 100-ton Buddha, the sheer architectural ambition provides an eye-opening scale you simply won't find anywhere else in Southeast Asia.
Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures from Vietnam.